Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like, comment, share. From innovative cooking tools to space-saving kitchen accessories, we share our honest opinions on which gadgets are worth your money and which ones to skip. Perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen in 2025, these gadgets promise to save time, improve cooking, and make your home life easier. Watch until the end for our top picks and best value recommendations. Let's start the video. Juicer machine. Upgraded 800W motor. Centrifugal juicer machine with upgraded 800W high-speed motor. More efficient and powerful than cold-press juicer maker. Lasts much longer than other competitor. 3-inch wide mouth will save your time on cut everything into small sticks. Dual-speed juicer machine with 2-speed control. 1 low speed for soft fruits and veg, such as watermelon, orange, strawberry, etc. 2 high speed for some hard fruits and veg, such as carrot, celery, apple, pear, etc. Safety design and easy to clean juicer extractor with locking system arm. It will not work without cover locked into place. Overload protection system will switch off machine once overheating occurs. Detachable parts makes it easy to clean. To remove filter basket, please grasp the edge of the filter basket and pull up. Notice, avoid trying to juice things with a low water content. Smart food warming tray. Host like a pro. Our advanced heat circulation eliminates cold spots, ensuring every bite stays warm, whether it's grandma's casserole at Thanksgiving or tapas for your international potluck. No more frantic reheating, just relaxed hosting. Set it, forget it. Precision temperature, 104 to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 to 12-hour timer let you focus on guests, not gadgets. Child lock ensures toddlers can't mess up your settings, perfect for chaotic family gatherings. Gentle on countertops, tough on cold meals. Raised base pillars prevent surface damage while heating 30% faster. Safely warm ceramic dishes, metal trays, or holiday platters. No more lukewarm mashed potatoes. Stainless steel cookware. Premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, our pots and pans set ensures long-lasting durability for consistent cooking performance over time. Stylish and practical. Includes 8 and 10-inch fry pans, 3.5 quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3 quart covered saucepans, 7 quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer, making it the perfect set for your kitchen. Even heating. This pots and pans cookware set prevents hot spots and ensures consistent, reliable cooking results every time. Ultimate comfort and control. Featuring riveted stainless steel handles that provide a secure grip, vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save time and effort during cooking. Versatile cookware. Dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a more enjoyable experience. Limited lifetime warranty. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water, convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. Kitchen drainer basket. 2-in-1 collapsible colander. Rodigun's colander strainer basket set of 2 contains a basket and a colander. Get the versatility with this strainer bowl and colander set. Use them together for a convenient straining solution, or use them separately for unique kitchen tasks. A 3QT colander is suitable for rinsing or draining vegetables and fruits, or thawing frozen food. Electric knife sharpener. Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Treaser 1515-degree edges. Diamonds. advanced stropping stage, and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Noise is between 65 dB and 75 dB. Easy to use. Advanced, patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle and feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage edge select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge, and Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Lunch container set. Meal prep, food storage portion control. Revolutionize your meal prep routine with these versatile meal prep containers, glass with lids. Ideal for crafting meals, portioning food, and maintaining structured nourishment throughout your bustling week. Designed to fit lunch bags, these adult lunch containers are suitable for picnics, office meals, or lunches on the go. Cook and bake in conventional ovens up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, lid off, for delicious homemade creations that go from oven to table effortless. Your all-in-one glass food container set. Embrace meal preparation organization with this 4-pack variety set. It includes 2 of our 2-compartment and 2 of our 3-compartment food container style glass bento boxes for adults with airtight lids. Portion management has never been this convenient. Each of the glass meal prep containers with lids holds up to 32 ounces, offering managed servings for your nutritional planning needs. Deep fryer. Oil filtration system. Advanced technology automatically filters and stores oil in a sealed container, ensuring easy cleanup and cost savings through reusable oil. Enjoy hassle-free deep frying with this innovative feature. Precise temperature control. Adjust from 300°F to 375°F for optimal frying results. The thermostat ensures consistent heat, preserving authentic flavors and achieving the perfect golden brown exterior every time. Safety features. Equipped with a locking lid, large viewing window, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff. These safety measures provide peace of mind, allowing for worry-free operation during your frying sessions. Easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components include the cooking basket, bowl, lid, and oil box. Experience the convenience of professional-grade deep frying at home with minimal cleanup effort required. Basting brush. Made from durable stainless steel. The durable stainless steel construction is ideal for long-lasting use and is easy to clean with just a rinse. Holds up to 16 fluid ounces. The basting pot is able to hold up to 16 fluid ounces of sauce, ensuring you can coat even large cut of meat evenly with just one pot. Integrated brush lid design. Electric pressure cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint-resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Kitchen drawer organizer. Measure drawer size before ordering. Purewood kitchen drawer organizers are large and designed to fit in drawers that are at least 18 into 20. The organizer measures 17.5 inch long and 2 deep. The width is 13.25 inch when utilizing 7 compartments and can expand up to 19.75 in width when utilizing all 9 compartments. Expandable practical. This silverware tray expands from 7 slots to 9 slots to easily store flatware, utensils, and other kitchen gadgets. This bamboo expandable drawer organizer allows you to use it in the kitchen, office, bedroom, or in any other room you want. Sturdy construction, easy maintenance. This kitchen organizer is made of mozo bamboo and stands the test of time. It can be whipped down with a damp cloth to clean. Extra compartments with more organization. This kitchen utensil holder was created with extra compartments. The bamboo silverware drawer organizer helps to organize your kitchen utensils, office stuff, or jewelry.